Hi there, it's Ginger Bell, the Edumarketer and CEO and founder of Edumarketing. And welcome to week 4 of our Mortgage Video Planner. So in this week, we're going to talk about what happens at closing. You know, this is a question that a lot of buyers have, and providing that information for them is critical. So beginning with your topic or your opening hook, you want to let your viewers know what you're going to be talking about. And it can be something honestly as simple as what happens at closing when you're buying your home. And then you want to get into the details. And remember, we have 3 points. So you can begin with the first point, which is the documentation that they need to bring. The second point, which is what happens at closing. And depending on where you're at, you could be doing a hybrid closing, you could be doing it remote, you could have them go into the office. And so you can talk about those different options. And then the third point, you want to let them know what they need to bring in. So being prepared, whether they need to bring in a cashier's check for closing or a check to be able to close out if they're going to be wiring funds. They need to set up escrow, maybe what they need for their homeowner's insurance. Those are all things that you want to talk about and let them know. So begin with your opening hook, talk about your 3 points, what's going to be happening, what documents they need to bring, and the process that will be at hand. And then close out your video. So let them know, how they can reach you. And always remember, when you're getting ready for closing, I'm here to help out, and thank them for the opportunity to work with them. And then always make sure you're closing out your video at the very end. So thank them for watching. Hi, this is Ginger Bell. I want to thank you for watching this video. And if you need any help in buying a home, getting financing, you can reach me at the information listed below. Another couple of pointers, always make sure when you're doing a video that you're looking at the camera. So I'm recording this actually on my computer, and I'm using just a regular Razor camera that I use for my regular Zoom meetings that I'm doing. So whatever you're using, make sure that you're looking at the camera. I always suggest when you're beginning your video, always begin looking at the video, begin with a smile, hold it, and then get into what you're talking about, and then make sure and close it out at the end. So that's it for week 4 of our planner, our mortgage video planner. And if there's anything that we can help you with as far as your video or educational needs, please feel free to reach out to us. You can find us online at edumarketing.com. Thanks for watching. This has been Ginger Bell.